Want to celebrate student success in your course? In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create and manage awards in D2L, from setup to automatic delivery, so your students feel recognized and motivated every step of the way. Access your course homepage to begin managing awards. Navigate to the Course Tools menu to find award options. Select Awards to open the Awards Management area. Select Course Awards to view and manage awards specific to your course. Initiate adding a new award by selecting Add Award to Course. Choose Create to start designing a new course award. Select the name field to enter a title for your award. Enter a clear and descriptive name for the award, such as Module 2 Award. Select the Description field to provide details about the award. Write a congratulatory message explaining what the student did to earn this badge. Access the Criteria section to define how students qualify for the award. Describe the specific requirements that need to be met in order to earn the badge, like achieving 85% or higher on a particular assignment. Opt to select an icon by clicking From Existing Library if you want to use a pre-made image. If you decide not to use a library icon, click Cancel to return to the previous screen. Choose Upload New Icon to add a custom image for your award. Browse your computer and select an appropriate image file to represent the award. Save your new award and icon by clicking Save and Close. To set conditions that automatically award the student the badge when they meet your criteria, go to Award Settings by selecting Edit Properties if needed. Click Create to set conditions that trigger the award. Open the Condition Type drop-down to select how the award is earned, such as by assignment score or rubric or grade earned on a grade item. Fill in the appropriate condition details to link it to the award condition. Save all award settings by clicking the Create button. Now students who meet the release conditions will automatically be awarded the badge. To view which students have earned the badge, go to Class List Awards. We hope you have fun creating course badges. If you have any questions or need support, just head to the CTLE website and submit a support ticket. We're here to help.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.